Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to go back on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's open the Settings app so we can demonstrate this tutorial properly. Once you're inside the settings, you'll notice there are actually two convenient ways to navigate back to the previous screen on your Pixel 8 Pro, and both are super easy to use. The first method is the most straightforward one. Simply look at the upper left corner of your screen and you'll see a physical back button displayed right there. All you need to do is tap on this button and it will immediately take you back to the previous screen you were viewing. This works consistently across most apps and menus on your device, making navigation quick and intuitive. Now here's the second method, which uses a gesture-based navigation that many users find even more convenient once they get used to it. To go back using this gesture, simply place your finger on the right side of your screen and swipe to the left. As you perform this swipe, you'll notice a left arrow icon appears on the screen, indicating that the back gesture has been recognized. When you see this arrow appear, go ahead and release your finger from the screen. The moment you release, your device will automatically navigate back to the previous screen. This gesture works seamlessly throughout the Pixel's interface and can make one-handed navigation much easier. And that's it. You now know both methods for going back on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, whether you prefer tapping the back button or using the swipe gesture. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.